Do you know Smart India Hackathon 2025's grand finale just happened last month and the winner teams got rupees 1 lakh each. Over 50,000 teams participated in this. One more thing which I read last night which caught my attention. This Ikigai AI Fellowship Challenge 2026 is happening right now. It is for AI ML professionals and they have a prize pool of 20 lakhs. 6,925 people have already registered and it ends on 8th of March. Now in this, top 3 winners are going to earn 5 lakhs, 3 lakhs and 2 lakhs respectively. Plus in this, you're also going to get direct hiring interview calls from the top tech big MNCs in the data space, including the company Fractal Analytics. And what I'm thinking is, it's literally happening right now and most people don't know about it. Flipkart Grid 2026 registration is going to open in the month of July. And you know, last year's winners, many of them are working with Flipkart at the package of 25 lakhs per annum to 30 lakhs per annum. Microsoft Imagine Cup 2026 का ग्लोबल जो प्राइस पूल है दैट्स $100,000 मतलब अप्रॉक्स 90 लाख रुपीस. इंडिया फाइनल्स में टॉप टीम्स गेट रुपीस 5 लाख प्लस. तो अभी तक आप ये तो समझ गए होंगे कि हम हैकाथॉन्स के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं और जब भी हम हैकाथॉन्स का नाम सुनते हैं हमें लगता है हैकाथॉन्स आर ओनली मेड फॉर स्टूडेंट्स, बट ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स के लिए, डिजाइनर्स के लिए, डेटा साइंटिस्ट के लिए, ऑलमोस्ट आप हर जिस भी डोमेन में काम करते हो आपके लिए कोई ना कोई हैकाथॉन जरूर होगा. हाय एवरीवन, माय नेम इज शिवांगी तिवारी एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. I'm currently working as a product manager and an agency owner in Dubai. I started my career as a software engineer. और आज की वीडियो काफी ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग और यूजफुल होने वाली है because we are going to cover why is it good to participate in the hackathons. I'll tell you which all major hackathons are going to happen in 2026 so that you can save the dates and must register. Real prize money and job opportunities that you can get from these hackathons and exactly how can you participate in the hackathons. अपने आसपास आप देखोगे तो आपको लगेगा आधा से ज्यादा लोग सिर्फ प्लेसमेंट वाले क्यू में खड़े हैं. Whereas smart people give one hackathon and get direct interview calls from companies. So अगर आप student हो who's looking for a good 15 to 20 LPA का job, working professional हो who's looking for a switch and getting a decent package of 25 LPA to 30 LPA, या simply अगर आपका ये thought है कि मैं बहुत लंबे टाइम तक जॉब के लिए वेट करूं या सिर्फ एक शॉर्टकट ढूंढूं, so this video is going to be for you. And trust me, by the end of the video, you are going to know that which all hackathons you should target and how you can actually win them. So make sure you stay with me in the video till the end so that you get to know end-to-end everything about the hackathons that are going to happen and how you can participate and win those. सबसे पहले समझते हैं कि why hackathons are actually important. तो जब मैं कॉलेज में थी तो मुझे सिंपली ये लगता था कि hackathons ऐसे कोडिंग कॉम्पिटिशन्स टाइप के होते हैं जिसमें सिर्फ मेजरली कोडर्स ही पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं. बट देन व्हेन आई एक्चुअली सॉ पीपल पार्टिसिपेटिंग, winning lakhs of money and getting direct job interview calls, I got to realize that hackathons are not just competitions, they give you a lot more. Hackathons actually give you direct interview calls. तो अगर आप टॉप परफॉर्मर हो तो आपको easily direct job interview call आ जाती है. दूसरी चीज, अगर आपने अपने रेज्यूमे में हैकाथॉन मेंशन कर रखा है तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपका रेज्यूमे स्टैंड आउट करता है. प्राइस मनी लैक्स में होता है, लाइक 50,000 से लेकर 5 लाख प्लस तक आप अर्न कर सकते हो. प्लस यू ऑल्सो गेट lots of internship opportunities. Another thing, when you participate in hackathons, आप theory से काफी ज्यादा चीजें सीखते हो by actually building it. And yes, networking which actually pays you off. You get mentors, company engineers, and lots of co-founders of future startups. According to LinkedIn 2025 report, students with hackathon experience get 40% more interview calls compared to those without. 40%, that's huge. And best part, that hackathons are not just for computer science students anymore. Design, business, marketing, data science, सबके लिए opportunities हैं. So चलो, let's dive into which all hackathons you should target if you are into tech and which all hackathons you should target if you are into non-tech domain. So मैंने ना इसे sections में divide कर रखा है. अगर आप tech domain में हो तो आपको कौन से hackathons target करना चाहिए, उसमें भी अगर आप student हो तो कौन से hackathons आपके लिए हैं, and अगर आप working professional हो तो उसमें आपके लिए कौन से hackathons हैं. एंड देन अगर आप नॉन टेक डोमेन में हो तो उसमें आप कौन से हैकाथॉन्स टारगेट कर सकते हो. फर्स्ट अप इज स्मार्ट इंडिया हैकाथॉन विच इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट हैकाथॉन्स. व्हाट इज इट एग्जैक्टली? सो ये गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की लार्जेस्ट हैकाथॉन है विच हैज 36 आवर्स ऑफ इंटेंस कोडिंग plus innovation marathon. It happens between August to September and registrations June में start हो जाएंगे. Now who all can participate in this? So any engineering or diploma student, and it has a team of 6 people. Both software and hardware tracks are included. What type of problems you can expect? So you will get real problems from government ministries, healthcare, education, agriculture and smart cities. Prizes की बात करूं, so winners are going to get rupees 1 lakh per team. certificate from Ministry of Education, and a national level recognition. Now, why you should participate in this hackathon? Here are the reasons. Package potential की बात करूँ तो many winners land 12 lakh to 20 lakhs per annum का पैकेज. बाकी सारे हैकाथॉन्स का रजिस्ट्रेशन लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगी, वहां से जाकर आप और भी डिटेल्स चेकआउट कर सकते हो एंड रजिस्टर भी कर सकते हो जब उनका रजिस्ट्रेशन स्टार्ट होगा तो. नेक्स्ट इज फ्लिपकार्ट ग्रिड. इट इज एक्चुअली फ्लिपकार्ट्स flagship student hackathon. This happens in the month of July to October, and pre-final year plus final year engineering students can participate. They have different tracks like software development, robotics, and AI/ML challenges. Prizes की बात करूँ so winners can get rupees 1.5 lakhs to 2 lakhs. Internship opportunities and direct PPIs, which is your pre-placement interview. Why you should participate in this? So literally this is a direct hiring pipeline for you. Previous winners की बात करूँ so many of them have got 20 lakh to 30 lakhs per annum का package at Flipkart. So that means this particular hackathon प्राइस मनी के साथ साथ दिस हैज अ पैकेज पोटेंशियल ऑफ 18 lakhs to 30 lakhs per annum. Next one is Microsoft Imagine Cup. This is Microsoft's global student technology competition. The registration starts in October, November. They have different categories like Earth, which is your environmental solutions, education, health, and lifestyle. Prices की बात करूँ तो इनका global जो price pool है that's $100,000, which is approx 90 lakhs. India finalists can get rupees 50,000 to 5 lakhs. You also get Azure Cloud credits plus internship opportunity with Microsoft. Why you should participate in this? So firstly, they have the biggest prize pool. And secondly, it could be a career-changing opportunity for you because winners often get opportunity to work with Microsoft at the package of 25 LPA to 40 LPA. Next is Google Solution Challenge. So here you build solutions using Google Tech for UN Sustainable Development Goals. When does this happen? So it keeps happening year-round. Main submissions in the month of January to March. Who can participate in this? So if you're a GDSC member, you can participate. If you don't know GDSC, it's Google Development Student Club. You can participate in this. Prizes की बात करें तो top 10 teams earn $1,000 to $3,000. You get certification from Google, plus this opens doors for Google opportunities. Why you should participate in this? So firstly, you get international exposure, and secondly, Google will get mentioned in your resume. Next is DevFolio hackathons. So DevFolio hosts 100 plus hackathons annually. इसमें some popular ones are ETH India, which is on blockchain, and it has a prize pool of rupees 10 lakh plus. Next is Built for Bharat, which is on social impact, and the next one is Unfold, which is on Web3. Why participate in this? These are high quality hackathons, very well organized, startup ecosystem exposure plus multiple opportunities year round. Details के लिए as I said I'll mention the links in the description. इसके साथ साथ IITs और NITs बहुत सारे कॉलेज फेस्ट में हैकाथॉन्स ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं. You can participate in those too. For example, February में NIT त्रिची का प्रज्ञान, जनवरी में IIT मद्रास का शास्त्र, दिसंबर में IIT बॉम्बे का टेक फेस्ट एंड मार्च में IIT रुड़की का कॉग्निजेंस. दे ऑल्सो हैव अ गुड प्राइस पूल, लाइक पर हैकाथॉन आपका 50,000 से लेके 2 लाख तक प्राइस पूल हो सकता है. वाई शुड पार्टिसिपेट? बिकॉज यू गेट प्रीमियर कॉलेज एक्सपोजर, नेटवर्किंग एंड वैल्यू इन योर रेज्यूमे. ऐसे समझो कि मान लो आपने अपने इंटरव्यूअर को बोला कि आई वन द IIT बॉम्बे टेक फेस्ट हैकाथॉन. आप समझो इंस्टेंट क्रेडिबिलिटी बिल्ड हो जाती है. नेक्स्ट लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द हैकाथॉन्स फॉर वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स. सो अगर आप वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल हो, ईदर यूर अ फ्रेशर और यूर एक्सपीरियंस, देयर आर सम हैकाथॉन्स जो स्पेसिफिकली आपके लिए बने हैं जिसमें स्टूडेंट्स कांट पार्टिसिपेट. So first one is Ikigai AI Fellowship Challenge 2026. It's a national level AI/ML hackathon for working professionals powered by Fractal Analytics in partnership with Analytics Vidya. When does it happen? So they have 2 rounds. Round 1 from 20th January to 27th February and round 2 from 28th February to 8th of March. Now who all can participate? So professionals with 2+ years of experience, GenAI developers, AI/ML engineers, data scientists, data engineers, analysts. An important part is students and freshers are not eligible. Why this is a bit different? Because maximum hackathons students के लिए होते हैं, but this one is for working professionals. Prizes की बात करूँ, so first prize is rupees 5 lakhs, second prize is rupees 3 lakhs, and third prize is rupees 2 lakhs. Plus जिनकी rank 4 से लेके 1000 तक आएगी, they'll share a prize pool of rupees 10 lakhs. So total जो prize pool है that is of 20 lakhs. But you get lots of opportunities which is bigger than your prizes. Firstly, you get direct interviews with Fractal Analytics for top performers. You get more interview calls from top tech data companies. You get verified public rank on a national leaderboard. And yes, of course, you get visibility with India's top AI recruiters that are actively hiring. Why should actually participate in this hackathon? So let's say अगर आप AI/ML field में work कर रहे हो and you keep thinking whether you are good or you're actually living in a bubble, this hackathon gives you a verified national rank. It's like your LinkedIn skill badge but 100 times more credible. Plus top recruiters in the AI, data, ML field like Fractal, McKinsey Analytics, Mu Sigma actively scout talent from these leaderboards. Think of it like this: you're sitting in an interview for an AI role with the package of, let's say, 30 lakh. So there's one candidate who says, I have 3+ years of working experience with ML, and there's another candidate who says, I ranked 47th nationally in the Ikigai AI Fellowship Challenge among 7,000 professionals. Now, who gets the offer? I think you already know the answer. To know more details about this particular hackathon and how to register, you can check out Analytics Vidya's website. One more thing, even if you don't win, participation gives you benchmarking against India's best, real-world problem-solving experience and profile visibility. Also, here's a surprise for you in case you want to upskill or revise for this hackathon. We've collected a list of free courses in this Excel for actively participating in this hackathon. Link to register for this hackathon is in my description. Hurry up because you don't have too much time, it's already going on. अब बात करते हैं कुछ कंपनी स्पेसिफिक हायरिंग हैकाथॉन्स की. First one is Amazon ML Challenge, which happens in August to September. You get direct Amazon interview calls. This is for ML engineers and data scientists. Next one is Adobe Hackathons. Registrations open in January and February. This is for developers, designers, data scientists. Plus, winners get 25 LPA to 40 LPA job offers. Next one is Salesforce Challenges. Multiple challenges keep happening throughout the year, and you get direct hiring opportunities. अब ये सारे hackathons, where can you find them? So Hacker Earth, Hacker Rank, एंड कंपनी के करियर पेजेस पे यू कैन चेक देम आउट. अब आते हैं कैगल के कॉम्पिटिशन्स. इफ यू डोंट नो, सो कैगल इज वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट डेटा साइंस प्लेटफॉर्म. इनके कॉम्पिटिशन्स का भी प्राइस पूल इज ₹5 lakh to 50 lakhs. Why should participate? Because let me tell you, you have a Kaggle Grandmaster rank. You can easily get 40 lakh plus package. In these, anyone, whether you're a student or a working professional, anyone can participate. And you know, Kaggle competition winners work at companies like Google, Microsoft, Meta easily at the package of 50 lakhs to 1 crore per annum. So if you're a student looking for a job or a working professional who's looking for a career switch, then let me tell you, these hackathons and competitions could be the fastest way to land your next job. अब बात करते हैं उन hackathons और competitions की which is for non-tech professionals. So as a non-tech professional, कई बार लोग बहुत ज़्यादा undervalued और under कॉन्फिडेंट फील करते हैं कि नॉन टेकीज के लिए तो कुछ है ही नहीं इंडस्ट्री में, बट ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. थिंग्स हैव चेंज्ड अ लॉट इन द रीसेंट इयर्स. सो मेनी नॉन टेक प्रोफेशनल्स गेट सैलरीज एट पार विद द टेकीज. Okay, now let me tell you the hackathons for design, business and marketing professionals. Design hackathons की बात करें, so first one is Adobe's Creative Jam. It is a 3-hour design sprint, UI, UX and graphic designers के लिए. Prices की बात करें, so ₹50,000 से लेके 1 lakh तक का प्राइस पूल है, प्लस यू ऑल्सो गेट Adobe subscriptions. Next one is Figma Config Design Challenge. These are design system challenges and winners get Figma internships plus visibility. Who all can participate? So UI UX designers, graphic designers and product engineers can participate. Next you have business case competitions. So first one is Mahindra War Room. Here you discuss business strategy cases and the prize pool is ₹10 lakh plus you also get job offers from Mahindra Group. Next one is Tata Crucible. So they have quizzes plus case studies. This is a top B school level competition. Here, after winning, you get Tata Group internships plus PPOs. Next one is Unilever's Future Leaders League. Here you have marketing and business case studies. The prize pool is ₹2 lakhs to 5 lakhs. Plus you also get direct management trainee offers which have a package of 15 lakhs to 20 lakhs per annum. Who all can participate in this? So MBA, BBA, commerce students plus marketing professionals. Next is content or marketing hackathons. So HubSpot Students Challenge is one which has marketing campaign creations and winners get certifications as well as internship. And the last one is Social Media Content Challenge. Brands like Zomato, Swiggy run a 24-hour challenge for these. You can follow their career page and you'll get to know all the updates. So these were all the major hackathons that you should keep in mind, and जब भी इनका registration open होगा, आप इन पर रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं. यू कैन पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस. मैक्सिमम डिटेल्स मैं कोशिश करूंगी कि मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूं. नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दैट हाउ यू कैन एक्चुअली पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस हैकाथॉन्स. किस तरीके से ये हैकाथॉन्स काम करते हैं एंड हाउ यू कैन विन देम. सो प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रेटजी की बात करते हैं, वेयर स्टेप 1 वुड बी टू पिक अप 3 to 4 हैकाथॉन्स जो कि आपके इंटरेस्ट के हैं. आप ये सोचो कि आप सारे हैकाथॉन्स में पार्टिसिपेट कर लोगे, तो ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं है. 3-4 पिक करो जो कि आपको पसंद है और जो आपके स्किल से अलाइन करते हैं. यू शुड सी दैट the hackathon should be of your skill level, should align with your career goals, and your availability is also important because you'll be participating. Step 2 is to form the right team अगर कोई team based competition है तो. How does your ideal team look like? You can check on your screen. And where you can find your team members, you can check that on your screen. एक गलती जो बहुत लोग करते हैं, never make a team with your best friends, because आपको ऐसे लोगों को अपनी टीम में सेलेक्ट करना है who have complementary skills and who can help you win the hackathon. Step 3 is to practice the past problems. Now जिस भी hackathon में आप participate करने वाले हो, अगर आप उनकी past problems को evaluate करोगे तो आपको अंदाजा लगेगा कि इस साल आपके किस तरीके के problem statements आने वाले हैं. So what you should do is you can download the past challenges Try to solve them in 24 hours. Timer will help you evaluate कि आप कितने पानी में हो. किसी भी एग्जाम, किसी भी कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट करने से पहले प्रैक्टिस करना is very critical. Step 4 is you build a starter template. So smart hackers have a pre-built template like project setup already done, authentication module ready, and basic UI components ready, ताकि आप हैकाथॉन के टाइम पे डायरेक्टली प्रॉब्लम पे फोकस कर सको. Step 5 is to master your pitch. So listen to me carefully. 80% of hackathons are won on presentation and not purely on the basis of coding. So your pitch needs a clear problem statement, your solution with demo, impact, put the numbers if possible, tech stack, and future scope. And practice, and make sure you have practiced your pitch 10 to 20 times before the final presentation. Step 6 is focusing on working demos. Judges don't care if your code is perfect, but they do care if your code works. So even if the UI is basic, backend is incomplete, and code is messy, but if it works and it solves a problem, that means you have a shot. So you have to prioritize on making a working demo rather than perfecting your code. Here are some common mistakes that you should avoid. Pause the video and take the screenshot. अब हैकाथॉन डे स्ट्रैटेजी की बात करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट 2 आवर्स में यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द प्रॉब्लम डीपली, ब्रेनस्टॉर्म द आइडियाज एंड पिक अप वन अप्रोच. नेक्स्ट 18 to 20 आवर्स में बिल्ड, focus on core functionality first and polish later. Last 4 hours में you can polish the UI, prepare the pitch, practice the demo and submit early. Don't wait till the last minute. अब फाइनल सेक्शन पर आते हैं कि हैकाथॉन से अपनी जॉब पाइपलाइन कैसे बिल्ड करनी है आपको. सो फर्स्टली आपको ये फिगर आउट करना है कि आप हैकाथॉन्स कौन से प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे सर्च कर सकते हो. सेकेंडली उन हैकाथॉन्स में पार्टिसिपेट करने के बाद आप क्या क्या चीजें एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो. सो सम प्लेटफॉर्म्स आई एम मेंशनिंग ओवर हियर, यू कैन पॉज द वीडियो एंड टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट्स. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस मैं सारी डिटेल्स डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी डाल दूंगी सो दैट यू कैन चेक इट आउट इन फ्यूचर. आई होप जो भी जॉब सर्च कर रहा है या कंपटीशन में बिलीव कर रहा है या अपनी स्किल्स को टेस्ट करना चाहता है या सिर्फ प्राइस मनी चाहता है, उसके लिए ये वीडियो काफी ज्यादा हेल्पफुल होगी. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द लाइक बटन, शेयर इट टू योर फ्रेंड्स हु नीड इट, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड हिट द बेल नोटिफिकेशन सो दैट यू गेट नोटिफाइड जब भी मैं कोई नई वीडियो डालूं. और अगर आप फ्रीलांसिंग कर रहे हो और आप वेबसाइट्स नहीं जानते हो कि किस वेबसाइट से आप फ्रीलांसिंग कर सकते हो या रिमोट जॉब सर्च कर सकते हो, देन यू कैन चेक आउट दिस वीडियो. थैंक यू सो मच.